Hey, hope you all are doing good. So today I am going to take you on tour of three communities altogether. Yes, three communities. So definitely stay tuned till the end because you would like to know the differences and the price point and what you're getting over there. And also these three communities. First is Wildflower Ranch, second is Treeline, and the third one is Pekin Square. And we will be visiting Highland Homes over there. So let's go and check it out. So right now I am in front of Highland Home and Wildflower Ranch. Let's see what they have to offer. Okay, so when we enter, we have this high ceiling. And today we have my daughter with us. And Myra, why don't you tell what you like about these homes, okay? You can hold this. You can hold this, yeah.
It is very tall.
What is tall? The ceiling?
Yeah.
Tall ceiling at the entrance. Okay, and what do you think is this?
Study room?
Yes, you're right. This is a beautiful study room with big windows. And let's go and check out the rest of the rooms. So when I am going here, shall we check out what is here this side? Let's go and check it out. You have to tell me what is inside, okay? Which room is it?
Over here is the bathroom,
Okay.
and that is a bedroom.
So we have attached bathroom and bedroom. Do you like the color palette going around?
Yeah, it's like shades of light colors.
Yeah.
It's a lot of blue and white.
Shall we go?
Yeah. Mommy, what is that room?
Okay, let's find out. What is that?
It's a storage.
Yes.
There's a mop in there.
So at the entrance, we saw what?
Study room, bedroom, and bathroom.
Alright. Now let's get in. What do you think about this house?
It's very spacious.
It's very spacious.
Yeah. And it's very colorful.
It's very colorful.
Yeah.
What do you like about this space? You can keep moving forward. Move forward. Yeah, and tell me what you like about it.
It looks very inviting.
Uh-huh.
It's very spacious, and the color palette is really good.
And we have beautiful kitchen over here. Great living space. These are 65 feet lots. And wow, media room is here. It is huge. Beautiful. I love the blue color palette going on.
It's like the whole entire house.
Yes, that's a Highland home. Highland home is blue, so they have done the theme with blue colors in this neighborhood. And let's look at the master. Beautiful with bay windows.
I would like this to be my room.
This master bedroom to be your room?
Yeah. I actually love the
Why?
bathroom.
Yeah.
And I can have like a view of the backyard whenever I want.
Oh, you like the view of the backyard? Okay, that's something interesting. And the closet. Let's go out. And let's see, that side the garage is going to be. Right now office is there because we are viewing the model home today. Do we want to go upstairs? Okay.
Over here is a bedroom. And over there is a study space, and there is a bathroom.
Something is here this side.
That side? Over here we have another bathroom,
Nice.
and we have another room.
Another what? Bedroom?
Yeah,
Okay, alright, let's go.
it's connected. Oh, sorry. It's not. It's fun. And I love that painting on the wall. It looks like
Please hold your
looping.
mic. Yeah.
I like the painting on the wall because it's just like looping and fun. And also there's a TV. Best part of it.
Best part of it. You love watching TV?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a kid's dream.
Kids dream. TV is kids dream.
Yeah.
That's what kids dream about nowadays.
We don't dream about it, but we would like to watch it all day. It is very spacious. The patio over there looks really good. I think the stone suits it.
Stones.
Yeah, the stones over there really suit it. But I think it should have some flowers too. Maybe to add a touch of color.
You know what, Mara? It's winter right now.
Maybe in the spring.
Yeah. And you know what? Spring is coming.
Well, the groundhog did see his shadow.
So right now I am in Treeline community, and in Wildflower Ranch, the price point starts at mid 400s. So that information I wanted to give you. And behind me is Highland Homes. So we are going to check this out. Let me show you how the community is around here. So if you could see with me, most of the model homes are ready. And right now I am in front of Highland Homes. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so this is how we enter. We have high ceiling, and they're going to have a lot of series at 40 feet, 50 feet and more. And this would be garage later on. And here we have office, your utility room. Oh nice, a bedroom here with closet. I really like the layout. They have used it wisely. And the bath and the kitchen, of course. We are having some realtor event over here. That's why you will see so many people. And this is the living room. Lovely layout. And then this is the bedroom. Plenty of space. Master bath. Closet space. Oh, it's really beautiful. I love these wallpapers and green theme going all around. And I'll quickly take you through the upstairs. We have a view here, then bedroom and a bath. It's a full bath. Another bedroom. So right now I am in Pekin Square, and this is a model home for Highland Homes with behind me, and the price is starting from mid 500s. Let's go and check it out. We have some realtor event going on. That's why you're gonna see a lot of people. This is the Cambridge floor plan. It would have a bedroom, secondary bedroom here with attached bath, and it has really beautiful kitchen. There would also be a half bath here, and hi, this beautiful kitchen is here. You can host your parties, plenty of space, lot of cooking space, lot of storage areas. Look at the cabinets. And another best part about Cambridge is their media room is downstairs. That's what I love about this floor plan, because that's what happens a lot of time. You know, you're too lazy, too tired to get upstairs to access the media room. So your problem is solved here. It is downstairs. And this would be, hey Adna, so good to see you. And this is going to be the dining space. I love the pocket window about it. You can have nice view outside. And they are kind of sold out on inventory, but you know, they have a home with same floor plan available. That's upstairs, so you have tall ceilings. And look at the sliding doors outside. You know, I love sliding doors because they make your outer and indoor living, you know, kind of blend in. You will see me talking about it in all of my videos. And then we will go and we will check out the master bedroom. So there would be another exit to the backyard. You don't have to go all the way to your living room to go out from your master. Look how beautiful it is. And in all of the model homes, you'll see different color theme going on. And I've seen mostly blue and greens, and I love them. Look at the garden tub, shower, your dual sinks, your vanity, and the closet space. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Now let's go and check out the upstairs. And this is the game room. And there's bedroom here. Plenty of storage you will see. Look at this bedroom. And there's a bath here. Isn't it beautiful? And there's one more bedroom over here, so it is a 5-bedroom house. Well, this one is 4-bedroom, but you can also find 5-bedroom in similar floor plan. Here, look at the patio. You're getting a very big patio, covered patio, and good backyard size. And this is Pekin Square. Pekin Square has tons of amenities, so the Treeline is going to have, both of them are Hillwood communities. Hillwood community is known for their amenities, and HO is great, all the activities are great. Even Wildflower Ranches, they're having multiple pools, lazy river and all that. So I really hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions regarding any of these community or any other community, I shall be more than happy to help. I really hope you enjoy the video. My whole goal was to, tell you about these communities and what kind of products same builder is having in different communities, so you can decide which one to go for. So I'll start from Wildflower Ranch. Wildflower Ranch is starting from mid 400s, and Treeline is at the same point, but the size is going to be a little bit smaller. But they have done great job in building those lots because it is front entry and you're getting backyard. That is amazing. And then we have Pekin Square. Absolutely, I love Pekin Square. We have all the options here. We have 50s, we have 60s, and 1 acre lots are also coming with Highland Homes in Pekin Square. Well, this video is about Dallas and Dallas homes and new builds, Dallas and suburbs. If you have any question regarding any other part of Dallas, feel free to reach out to me. Every day I help people like you move into their home in Dallas, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye, and don't hesitate to reach out to me.